Get your eyes on this, and that, and that. What are you seeing? Life at its typical constant pace? Right, it doesn't stop. But let us tell you what we see. Pathogens. That's a spawning ground for mold. That gives off a noxious amount of odors. And there's a motherlode of viruses and bacteria. That's life. You can't avoid it, but you can clean it. And you've probably tried. But bad tech only goes so far. Your air purifier pushes dirty air around. Your UV light needs everyone to disappear just to work. And cleaning by hand? Yeah, great, if you get every single spot. How about technology that actually did what you wanted it to? Behold the Synexis BioDefense System, the microbe-fighting machine designed to attack the pathogens hiding in daily life. Synexis creates dry hydrogen peroxide, or DHP, and can be installed right in the ductwork or placed anywhere indoors through a variety of adaptable units. DHP flows wherever air flows, throughout any indoor space, reducing the presence of microbes without anyone ever having to leave the room. Intrigued? Good, you should be. DHP works continuously, a full 24/7, 365, attacking pathogens both in the air and on surfaces. And it's safe. Zero ozone emissions, UL 2998 certified. And with DHP occurring at levels well below OSHA standards, there's no need to kick people out of the room or disrupt any productivity. Attacks viruses, bacteria, and mold. Doesn't attack people. Yeah, impressive. Let's unpack that, shall we? Every indoor environment naturally contains ambient oxygen and humidity. First up, our patented technology breaks these molecules apart using a novel means to refine the plasma, separate the subatomic particles, and then reassemble them into DHP. Our DHP molecule is structured similarly to a water molecule. The vulnerable structures on microbes like viruses, bacteria, and mold attract DHP like water. Once found, DHP attacks the vulnerable prongs on the outside of the virus, for example, and denatures them. Then DHP creates rifts in the spherical body of the virus and causes it to rupture. Boom, no more microbe. Just loads of DHP, continuing the cycle and turning back into water after the pathogen bursts, only to be replaced with more DHP from Synexis, targeting the next microbe before you even know it's there. Want proof? Looking for peer-reviewed published studies? Sure, we got that too. DHP reduces 98.7% of SARS-CoV-2 on surfaces at 2 hours. And for in-air reduction, we found that DHP reduces the presence of MS2, a coronavirus surrogate, by 99% at 60 minutes. And of course, DHP fights the others: influenza, E. coli, MRSA, and salmonella, storming the beaches of bacteria and pathogens while you go about whatever you're doing. DHP also hits common molds like Aspergillus niger, which causes black mold. Fancy name, but easy for DHP. Odors, insects, DHP fights them just like the rest. Now you see what we see. Pathogens ruptured. That's the Synexis BioDefense System. Contact one of our reps to add Synexis to your arsenal against microbes.